Why are you eating?
I'm supposed to be eating
I
on
can't
the show.
even know, mother.
It's a show. I'm eating on the show.
Hey, y'all. It's your girl back at you with another little one, too.
Hamburger.
And I got stupid head. And we're eating big, what's this shit? Burger King. We eating Burger King. I'm a professional. This motherfucker keep on being unprofessional on my shit. Yeah. I got fish sandwich and a fry. What you got?
Hamburger.
He got a Whopper Junior. A kid's meal, because that's what the fuck he acting like. And we got some Sprite down here. Did he give me a straw? Oh, hell no.
It's under the bag. Under the bag.
I know, get my fries down here. Don't do me. I don't know. You said it was under the shit, not on the floor.
Under the bag.
On the floor. What's wrong with your ass? Huh?
Sleeping.
Anyway. Is you gonna tell the people your name?
No. It's Spalding Jr.
This is salty. Did you tell me thank you for the
I cook for you every day.
No, you don't. Nigga don't cook shit for me. Yeah, I never let a nigga that don't eat onion cook for me. Damn. I just washed my car, bro. I should have got a regular Whopper for real.
Big old monster bite.
What? They got pickles on here?
Close to.
They ain't say all that, y'all. Anyway, I hope your day is going well. It's Friday. You had a good day? Did you have a good week? Oh, I tell you.
Woo. Full already. Sweating.
Why are you sweating?
When something's good, I sweat.
Well, it's only good because it was free.
Yeah.
I was love her. And he's
I
living.
ain't see that.
I see you got that $500 fine? Oh, they got people in there. You supposed to savor the flavor.
I did save it.
Now the damn video finna be 2 minutes. Why you eat that burger like that, dog?
Like what? It wasn't nothing but a little bitty salmon.
Why don't you get the Whopper?
I ain't want that much.
You should have got the senior.
I didn't want that much.
But you're gonna get 2 burgers.
Do you know what? That ain't on the right to.
You can sing, but you can't play the music.
You can sing their song,
Yeah,
but you can't play the music.
but please refrain from singing.
I can't.
Please.
I can't.
And now he making me eat all fucking fast.
What?
I feel like I gotta scarf my shit
I'm just taking
down.
a break. I'm just taking a break. After this, we're going to go on over to Cracker Barrel, get us a pancake. Small as you.
Who want a Cracker Barrel?
You? It's your money.
You a stupid head ass. You like to be cussed out.
I know.
Talking about I know.
Huh?
Talking about I know.
There's tartar sauce on there. You ain't showed the people the tartar sauce.
I did. I should have.
They ain't seeing no tartar sauce.
They know what the hell's on this damn burger.
Bread up.
Oh. I got a little torta.
Yeah.
The shit got pickles. Last one I got from her didn't have pickles. And they just putting shit on the sandwich. Yeah, true that. Huh.
Oh my Lord.
What? What?
No. I think I'm gonna go at my mother's house.
Good, because we on the way. You want me to drop you off her? I sure will.
Call them, make sure they there.
Mm-hmm. Cause you know I ain't trying to go to the West End.
You going to the West?
I'm going to the Tark stop, the closest one to you. Shit, it's a good brioche bun too.
What are you doing out there? Oh, okay, I'll be out there.
So nasty, so rude. So nasty, so rude.
Yeah. All right, I'll ride there. I'm about to get off work. All right.
Mind of them people.
Hmm? And this way you supposed to. This is where you supposed to show a sandwich. Supposed to put it in your hand like that, and let the people see what you
It ain't even in the camera. You're dropping shit.
That's all it's in my car.
Oh. Yeah, put it in your hand and make it bigger.
That was a good one.
Hell, motherfucking no.
Mm-hmm.
It is small.
Mm-hmm.
How they make that one so small? The other patties round as hell. Oh my god. Would you have to let the first sandwich digest?
Mm-hmm.
Baby stomach.
Hmm?
Baby stomach.
Mm.
What your mama cook?
Nothing.
What you gonna do over her?
Drink a beer.
They got one for me.
Mm-mm.
Damn, bitch can't get a bird. I feel like I taste cheese on her too.
See, and then you show the people you had cheese on the motherfucker.
Ain't no cheese.
It might have been on the bottom bun. That's where they put the cheese at.
What, you used to work here?
Hmm.
You used to work here?
I look at my food.
Did you see that piece of hair in your food?
Mm-hmm. Tastes pretty good. It's in my teeth.
Mm-hmm. Put that salt back on my fries. The salt on my fingers.
Let's go to the fairground.
And do what?
Look at the lawnmowers and stuff. Hmm. You want to look at the lawnmower?
Why am I looking at the lawnmower?
They having the thing out there. Lawn and garden.
What, a tractor show?
The big tractor show, yeah.
Oh, it's cute.
Mm-hmm. You ain't seen all them cars coming through here with the lawn care business shit?
No.
You don't pay attention.
I'm too busy in my sandwich shit.
You don't pay attention to your surroundings.
Y'all do. Hold on, y'all. What? I hope the phone don't overheat right there.
You went hungry.
That's Google.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you got to, who's hungry? You?
Mm-hmm.
Are you calling me fat?
Mm-mm.
No. Because I ate my whole sandwich. I'm hungry, but he nibbling on his second one. Boy.
Oh, yeah. You can still see me. Just time to relax for a minute. After food dies, yeah.
Get out the car and walk around a couple times.
Sweating. Told you I'm my dog.
I think you sweat because you're in the sun. You gonna tell the people about the football game last night?
No, girl.
Why not?
They don't want to know about that. They watched it.
No, they didn't.
Well, that's their fault.
We don't do sports on my channel.
Well,
We don't do that.
okay. You don't need me talking about it.
Well, we need somebody that know about sports.
All right.
Shit.
You ain't finished yet?
I'm gonna. Can I eat a couple more fries?
Mm-hmm.
And then you want to rush me.
I know I make it look good. Make it show what it is.
Are you taking credit for my shit?
Mm-hmm.
Are you taking credit?
No, I'm just letting you know.
Okay. I should got a small.
It says small.
They do. No, she had small on her first.
Oh my Lord.
Guess I roll mine back too.
Mm-hmm.
Shut up. Anyway, y'all.
Deuces.
That ain't how I close out my shit.
Listen.
You don't do that.
That's the way it's getting closed.
Listen. Y'all see him on her, just know it's gonna be ratchet because you know I'm professional. I get on her, I do my tag, my opening line. What's good, y'all? It's your girl, whoop the whoop whoop. Back at you with another little one too. I ain't gonna say my name on her because I don't want him looking me up. And then I close his out. You don't call shots. You don't call shots on my shit. You just exit the car till I'm done talking to my people. That's how you do that.
You ain't talking to me.
No, I'm talking to you.
People, like you said, you ain't saying nothing to me.
God damn. Well, I ain't got shit else to say now. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna let y'all know how our coworker is trying to take my man and shit now, and I'm about to have to smack somebody's mama. Cause she's all up on you.
Is that right?
Yeah, I promise you. She keep on saying little sly shit. Oh, girl, bitch. And then you cheesing all in her face. I'm finna haymaker all you. It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, it's alright. Anyway, y'all.
Time's up. Anyway, y'all.
Anyway, y'all.
Cool.
Anyway, y'all, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll catch you again on another one.
Yeah, we mufbangin.
Muff banging, y'all.
You
You muff banging? Child.
Trying to bang the muff.
Anyway, y'all.